Hello traders, Sean Oman here from fxchatter.com. Welcome back to the Daily Fundamental Report. Here we track the flow of money around the world in order to predict the movement in the different currency pairs. And today is Thursday, July 7th, 2011. And today it looks like we should have a stronger dollar. Most of the indicators are all pointing to that direction early on, and we can see that right now at this time, just after Wall Street open, gold is relatively flat. No real flows going into there, so we're going to discount that at this time, keeping our eye on it throughout the day to see if it ever picks up any strength. But right now gold is going to be classified as neutral. But our equities are up sharply. The Dow is up to a strong open, as well as the S&P, which are both strong factors giving us a negative indication for the US dollar. Our treasuries are also down, which supports the negative outlook for the US dollar. And our commodities are mostly up, which is also tending to give us a negative bias for the US dollar. So this is where our confusion comes in. We had a rate hike early this morning from the Eurozone, which normally would cause the euro to go up, which is also going to support our outlook for the weaker dollar. But then we had the unemployment data, the unemployment claims, and the employment data, which threw a wrench into our overall strategies simply because the unemployment data came in a lot stronger than had been anticipated, which is helping the dollar early on, and our unemployment claims came in lower than expected. Also sort of acting as an anchor to the dollar. So these two items are both in conflict to most of the other indicators, but I think that the stock markets will translate this data into positive news, which will cause flows to go away from the dollar and into the equities markets. So overall, if that doesn't confuse you, let me just break it down for you. The bias today is still for a weaker US dollar. We'll be looking to sell the dollar, but we're going to be waiting for pullbacks to sell the dollar. Keep your eye on the different instruments throughout the day to watch out for any reversals in any of the flows, any of the instruments that we just went over. But right now our bias is still for a weaker dollar. So that's where we're going to be at today. Anyway, check back with us at the end of the day to watch the market wrap up, where we'll talk about what happened, see what happened, and share any of our trades that we took. So thank you and have a great day, traders.